One Owner Car Guy, oneownercarguy.com. What I got here for you today is a 1987 Kenworth. All the model numbers and stuff will be in the ad. It's only got 50,000 miles on an in-frame rebuild. It's a 4 1/4 cat. And is that cat or Cummins? It'll all be in the ad. This is just the video. If you're interested, you can call me. It's Nathan, 406-546-8748. I'm just going to go around and give you kind of a once around, and then I'll show you any damages, which there ain't really no damage on it. It's a work truck. You can see the way the bed is and such, just because, well, that's the nature of the beast, I guess. 406-546-8748. There'll be about 30-40 pictures, I guess, on my website, oneownercarguy.com, and that's pretty much how the outside of the truck looks. Other than that, as far as damages, I mean, like the inner fender, the rubber thing there is tore up. That's bottom step is like it's metal, so it's the patina on it. Everything looks good. Door panel's good shape. Kind of chippage up there. Hole in the floor. Nice seats. All kinds of paperwork to go with it. Parts to keep you on the road. Crack in the windshield. Alpine up there. And it's pretty much your inside. Yeah, I don't have the key to start it, but it runs great. Everything works. General dents in the bed from just loading it up. Paint's in good condition. You can see miscellaneous stress marks in certain parts. It could use a detail. As you see, we didn't do nothing to it. Detailed this thing up, it'll look nice. Actually drove it up from San Diego to Montana and had no problems along the way. I will pull the hood pins and show you that. You see there's that gouge there. Alcoa wheels or whatever, aluminum wheels. Dent in the other tank. Slight little ripple in that tank. Nice tires. Look at that tread. Damn. Lots of tread on that. And miscellaneous dents in the bed. This is bashed it and got a little bit of corrosionary issues in these 3 spots here. Could be easily fixed. Dents in the back here. Got your hitch and all. Everything's functional. 5 of 24. This is bent here, this ear. And man, don't match the tread there. This thing's got some tires on it. Take a picture of that. Hopefully that worked. There's your dent in that tank. And I'm going to go ahead and pop this one and roll this thing back a second. Okay, here's a look at the motor. I mean, you might even be able to... It is a cat, that's right. Big old turbo diesel. And let me get over to this side here. It's a good working rig. And wouldn't be afraid to drive it anywhere. And that's that. That's pretty much your walk around. And that's that. One Owner Car Guy, oneownercarguy.com. Also got the water truck for sale. Vans, check my website, oneownercarguy.com. Beautiful day in the valley. Also, I wanted to show you, we've got another Pete here. Here's the Peterbilt. I don't have the information on it, but I'm making a video of it also tonight, so I should have information up and a video of this if you check my channel. Beautiful day, man, beautiful day. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you. Like, subscribe, and comment if you would.